Welcome to our journey through the wonders of Sri Lanka, an island nation cradled by the warm waters of the Indian Ocean, where ancient history meets breathtaking landscapes. From the misty peaks of its central highlands to the sun-drenched beaches of its coastline, Sri Lanka offers a tapestry of experiences. Our journey begins in the heart of Sri Lanka, at the foot of a colossal rock, a dramatic monolith that rises abruptly from the emerald green plains. This is Sigiriya, also known as Lion's Rock, a testament to the ingenuity and artistic brilliance of ancient Sri Lanka. King Kasyapa, driven by ambition and fear, chose this imposing rock as his fortress, transforming it into a magnificent palace complex. As we ascend, notice the intricate frescoes adorning the rock face, depicting celestial maidens of haunting beauty. Near the summit, we encounter the remnants of a colossal gateway, flanked by two massive lion paws carved from the rock itself. From the top, the view is simply breathtaking. Sigiriya is more than just a rock fortress. It is a symbol of Sri Lanka's rich history and artistic heritage. Our journey now takes us south to the untamed wilderness of Yala National Park, one of Sri Lanka's most important wildlife sanctuaries. Here, amidst the dry scrubland and ancient rock formations, we enter a realm ruled by nature's most elusive predator. The leopard Yala boasts one of the highest densities of leopards in the world, making it a prime destination for wildlife enthusiasts. Herds of elephants roam freely, their massive forms casting long shadows across the grasslands. Sloth bears forage for termites, while crocodiles bask in the sun along the banks of ancient reservoirs. The air is alive with the sounds of nature. The trumpeting of elephants, the chattering of monkeys, and the calls of countless bird species. Yala is a reminder of the raw beauty and untamed spirit of Sri Lanka's natural heritage. Our exploration of Sri Lanka's natural wonders continues as we venture into the heart of Sinharaja Forest Reserve, a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Here, beneath a dense canopy of emerald green, a hidden world teems with life. Sinharaja is a biodiversity hotspot, home to an astonishing array of endemic species found nowhere else on Earth. Giant trees, draped in lianas and adorned with epiphytes, reach for the sky, their roots anchoring them to the forest floor. The air is thick with humidity and alive with the sounds of insects, birdsong, and the rustling of leaves as unseen creatures go about their daily lives. Sinharaja is a living laboratory of evolution, a testament to the power of nature and a reminder of the importance of preserving these precious ecosystems. Chapter 4. Kandy, the Sacred City. We now journey to the heart of Sri Lanka's cultural triangle, to the city of Kandy, nestled amidst rolling hills and shrouded in an aura of reverence and tradition. Dominating the city skyline is the Temple of the Sacred Tooth Relic, a UNESCO World Heritage Site and one of the most sacred Buddhist pilgrimage sites in the world. Within its gilded walls lies a relic of the Buddha, a tooth enshrined in a golden casket, a symbol of faith and devotion for millions. Each year, Kandy comes alive with the Esala Perahera, a grand procession featuring dancers, drummers, and elaborately decorated elephants parading through the streets. Beyond the temple walls, Kandy's streets are a vibrant tapestry of life with bustling markets, colonial-era architecture, and serene lakeside walks. Chapter 5. Gala, where history meets the sea. Our journey now takes us to the southwestern coast of Sri Lanka, to the historic city of Gala, a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Here, the scent of the sea mingles with the aroma of spices as we step back in time within the walls of Gala Fort, a magnificent 16th century fortress built by the Portuguese and later fortified by the Dutch. As we wander through its cobbled streets, we're transported back to an era of colonial grandeur with imposing ramparts, grand mansions, and charming cafes lining the narrow lanes. Climb atop the fort walls and gaze out over the vast expanse of the Indian Ocean, where waves crash against the rocks below. Indulge in the flavors of Sri Lankan cuisine, a tantalizing blend of spices and fresh ingredients. Chapter 6. Dambulla, a cave temple in the clouds. Our journey takes us north once more, to the ancient city of Dambulla, where spirituality and artistry converge amidst a dramatic landscape. Here, carved into the face of a towering rock, lies the Dambulla Cave Temple, a UNESCO World Heritage Site. The Dambulla Cave Temple is a complex of 5 caves, each adorned with intricate murals and over 150 statues of the Buddha, some dating back over 2,000 years. The atmosphere within the caves is one of serenity and awe, as if time itself has stood still. Dambulla Cave Temple is not just a place of worship, it is a treasure trove of art and history, a testament to the enduring legacy of Buddhism in Sri Lanka. Chapter 7. Our journey now takes us to the eastern coast of Sri Lanka, to the laid-back surf town of Arugam Bay, a paradise for wave riders and beach lovers alike. Arugam Bay is renowned for its consistent surf breaks, attracting surfers from all over the world, from seasoned professionals to enthusiastic beginners. Whether you're a seasoned surfer or a first-timer, there's a wave here for everyone, from gentle rollers to challenging barrels. The pristine beaches, fringed with swaying palm trees, offer the perfect setting for relaxation and rejuvenation. As the sun begins to set, casting a golden glow over the ocean, the beach comes alive with activity. Fishermen haul in their nets, their silhouettes outlined against the fiery sky, while locals and tourists alike gather to witness the spectacle of another day drawing to a close. Our journey takes us inland once more, to the misty hills of Ella, a charming town nestled amidst rolling hills carpeted in emerald green tea plantations. One of the best ways to experience the beauty of Ella is by train. As the train winds its way through the hills, we are treated to breathtaking views of tea plantations that seem to stretch as far as the eye can see. Ella is a paradise for hikers and nature lovers. Embark on a trek to Ella Rock or Little Adams Peak and be rewarded with panoramic views of the surrounding countryside. Ella is a place to reconnect with nature, to breathe in the fresh mountain air and to lose yourself in the simple pleasures of life. As we journey through the diverse landscapes of Sri Lanka, from ancient ruins to pristine beaches, from bustling cities to tranquil countryside, we encounter the heart and soul of this island nation, its people. The Sri Lankan people are renowned for their warmth, hospitality, and genuine smiles that welcome visitors like long-lost friends. Whether you're sipping tea with a local family in their home, sharing stories with a fisherman on the beach, or simply exchanging smiles with a passerby on the street, you'll experience the true essence of Sri Lankan hospitality. Sri Lanka's cultural tapestry is woven from a rich history of influences, from ancient traditions to colonial legacies, resulting in a vibrant blend of art, music, dance, and cuisine. These encounters, these shared moments of human connection, are what truly make a journey to Sri Lanka so special. Our journey through the wonders of Sri Lanka concludes in Colombo, the island's vibrant capital city, where the old and the new intertwine seamlessly. Here, amidst the bustling streets and modern skyscrapers, we find remnants of Sri Lanka's colonial past, from grand colonial-era buildings to bustling markets overflowing with exotic spices and colourful fabrics. Take a stroll through Petta, Colombo's bustling bazaar, and immerse yourself in a sensory overload of sights, sounds, and aromas. For a taste of Colombo's colonial heritage, visit Gal Face Green, a sprawling urban park overlooking the Indian Ocean. As we bid farewell to this island nation, we carry with us a treasure trove of memories, the awe-inspiring ancient ruins, the thrill of encountering wildlife in their natural habitat, the vibrant culture, and most importantly, the warmth and hospitality of the Sri Lankan people. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the wonders of Sri Lanka. From ancient cities to pristine beaches, from misty mountains to lush rainforests, we've explored the diverse landscapes and rich culture of this incredible island nation. Sri Lanka awaits, ready to captivate your senses and steal your heart.